Leaving a legacy is not without risk. By definition, it leaves a mark. And for over a decade, we at Novabus have proudly left our mark in the state of New York. It's a strong, lasting impression of a community of dedicated people. It's the sign of meticulous work and the will of steel of hundreds of workers to be the leading driving force in production in the region.
I'm motivated by building a quality, reliable bus that I know will be in the American cities in the near future.
We're the elite here in Plattsburgh. There isn't a challenge we haven't been able to meet.
To give a community a transit option other than driving a car every day, it's something we take a lot of pride in here.
Nestled among the foothills of the Adirondack Range in New York's picturesque North Country, the 140,000 square foot Novabus assembly plant in Plattsburgh, New York, opened in 2009. Over 10 years later, it continues to grow in sync with the community. Ours is a story of regional cooperation and economic strength with the creation of over 300 jobs. And ours is the story of sustained financial investments in our strong foundations so that we can continue to prosper.
So I have people that work really hard every day to build the best quality bus that they possibly can.
With this mission in mind, each day a worker comes to Novabus for the sheer pleasure and with the sheer determination to take on new challenges. After all, as all of our employees know, you cannot create a legacy without challenges. At Novabus, the enduring legacy we're leaving in the state of New York and in your communities is passion and dedication. Novabus, bring life to your city.